wanting a winter wonderland, and I got it. I love the snow.
And he is not happy, but he's all warm in his...
Matt, the producer, once again. Have yourselves a great week, and we will talk to you next week.
You gotta get us back the perfect ending. That page.
This is Chow. He's about 14 years old. He doesn't like the cold as much.
Just when you think the news interview can't get any wilder, an animal decides to make headlines of its own.
He can go into his den in the back. Right, Chow?
There we have a gorgeous sunrise coming.
Time now is 6:50 on this Friday morning. There's a bird on.
Здравствуйте, Ирина. Ну, действительно, в столичный регион пришла весна. Столбики термометров будут показывать на этой неделе до 8 плюс 9 градусов. Стоять! Иди сюда! Эй, стой! Стоять! Ну, судя по всему, связь с нашим корреспондентом прервалась.
When the weather gets cold, you and I put on jackets and we bump up the heat in our homes to be comfortable, to brace ourselves against the frigid temperatures. But what about UNA's Leo and Yuna?
Very gentle horse.
Muy gentil ese caballo.
Horse said, "Give me the camera and your head will be safe. Do you want your head chewed off?"
This horse.
How is it that your horses are so calm when so many other horses are skittish?
¿Cómo es que todos sus caballos son tan tranquilos cuando la mayoría de estos caballos son un poco más...
And disrupting the circle of life. And with the rise in drought cases, it is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
We tolerate this. If in every key position of the state, the representative of the ancient communist secret services are present, it means...
Hi, my neighbor has guests. Yeah, I agree with him.
You find these showers, no longer any thunderstorms. We're tracking one cell actually right here. But
If you could read this poodle's mind, you could hear him say, "Daddy, I want a hot dog."
Elliott Lake, Sault Ste. Marie, and that's headed up towards Timmins and Sudbury later tonight.
Okay, Shayla is here. How long have you been a camel? Wow, really? And any message for the jazz fans back home? Okay.
Μπορεί οι κούρσες ταχύτητας του υποδρόμου να μας μαγεύουν. Ωστόσο υπάρχουν κι άλλα είδη αγώνων.
This horse's dream is definitely also an interviewer. I have some things to say to the audience.
Τα θέλω αυτά. Σήμερα θα μιλήσουμε για τον ντρεσάζ, δηλαδή την ιππική δεξιοτεχνία.
One. Well, animals really are... Ouch, 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 ouch. She bit my finger. Ouch, that hurt.
Well, post 2011, there was a program that the state government...
Oh no! Oh, Mikey!
Sorry. Take your jacket off. Continue. And
Take the jacket off. Uh-oh. Everyone look above.
Good on you.
2, 3.
Reporter Katia Like tried hard to work on her story in Fort Riley, but the cicadas around her caused many complications.
Hey, one. Sporting activities start. Okay, I've got to stop clicking them.
I can hear you. I think it's a filter.
It is, and I don't know how...
I'm not a cat lawyer struggles with Zoom filter during a hearing at the Texas court.
I'm prepared to go forward with it. I'm here live. I'm not a cat.
Eikö olisi kivempi pärjätä kesällä, kun on lämmintä ja valosaa ja...
No olisi, no tietenkin. Siis kyllähän kesällä on kiva käydä. Kyllä sitten niin kuin ihan talveksi, niin sitten tietysti ainakin ne pitemmät ravireissut sitten hiipuu pois ja ajetaan sitten ehkä vähän lähempänä kilpaa.
evidentemente la sensación con la que está generándose este tipo de cosas acá ha complicado un poco la seguridad del sector y también de lo que hoy en día se puede considerar sí, y evidente.
And jumping onto sidewalks, Rochester police responded to us after we reached out. They said, quote, officers monitored the situation through the blue light cameras. However, officers were diverted to other calls for service throughout the city. Again, this is an ongoing issue. We are working with police to see what is being...
Starting today, only 3 Minneapolis beaches.
When human works from home and her kitty can't live without her for a second.
Why?
So how are you coping with all the fame?
A written apology from the Netherlands, but the Dutch Prime Minister, Turkey is also demanding a written apology.
Someone's asking, Dad, do you want your interview to go viral?
Dutch Prime Minister said this.
Anyway. It's like a thin green washing veil. There are a lot of sophisticated greenwashing seas out there.
Morty, the snake behind you.
Don't worry.
Long time ago now, and the first of my hymns, which went into the hymn book, into hymns ancient and modern and all of that.
Kitty promised to attend the interview, but didn't promise he wouldn't drink tea.
From St. Mark's Gospel as the very first sentence of the hymn.
Necesita que alguien lo adopte, pero yo les voy a contar la historia, porque los vecinos le salvaron la vida a un perro que algunos dicen que es un asesino. Mira cómo está. ¿Qué?
Are also now embracing this. Why apologize for my cat's tail? Why are you not doing this by default? Rocco, could you tell them?
Lai viņi izpildītu nepieciešamas prasības.
Cat said, "You're live. I don't care. I smelled coffee and claimed it."
Done. Wind gusts as it does on late Monday and into Tuesday. And then can we stop? Because that is the creepiest damn thing I've ever seen in my life.
I was wondering, I was like, is he just gonna roll through this?
Oh my. You are qualified.
Feeling like she's being watched, Kitty wants to find the intruder.
First question. When did time begin?
In getting involved with the DCB, okay, wait. If you're interested in getting involved with the DCB, you can head to our website at wthitv.com. Reporting in Tan.
Doggy's probably curious why this guy's talking to a camera.
This time for a man named Quincy
When bees want to be on the news too.
For 780 days, he's charged with assaulting a law enforcement officer.
Huh?
Just going to interview my dogs.
Do your dogs want to do an interview? Oh my goodness, yes! I will never pass up the opportunity to interview a dog. Hi there, little ones. Are you guys excited about not having to wear a mask?
This cat's here probably because it occupies a very important position, specifically to relax people.
Okay. But most of these things that I would recommend is...
And we've got to have our knowledge of it when we're doing the same portability and importance with in regards to keeping a flame, I think.
as the peach went over her. "Oh, what a lovely bump that must have been for you, Miss Spider." "It was very satisfactory."
Animals are the biggest challenge for interviewers, but their appearance is the most fun part. Thanks a
I'm not going
lot.
to sing the song, but I'll say the words.